Welcome to Ginger's Doll World. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a cardboard paper mache doll apartment. For this doll apartment, I used two 24 by 15 by 15 boxes. I folded and glued the bottoms. For the top of the box, I glued down the lids. I measured where I wanted the windows and the doors. I'm also creating a balcony. Here's one side of the apartment. I cut the whole right side of the box to attach the other side. I added more layers of cardboard to all sides of the box. Then I cut out big pieces of cardboard for the base. There are about 4 layers of cardboard. The thicker the better, so that way it won't warp after I paper mache and paint it. Then I made a fake hallway. I just glued a piece of styrofoam and covered it with cardboard. For the balcony, I also used 4 layers of cardboard. And then I cut out some squares to make it look more interesting. Let's go inside. For the kitchen, it looks kind of weird. I only had the small fridge that I made and I wanted to use it. So I only cut out a small spot for the fridge. I cut out another big piece of cardboard for the top of the box. I stuffed some paper towel rolls with newspaper to give the ceiling more strength. This doll apartment is very strong. I think I'm ready to paper mache. First I have to make it. It's really simple. All you need is flour and water. Mix it well until it's smooth. It shouldn't be too runny, and don't forget to add some salt. I used a paintbrush to apply the newspaper and then the paper mache mix. I only did 1 layer, but if you want to add more layers, that's up to you. Or if you don't want to make the flour mix, you can just use glue with water.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me how you feel? I shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right. Coming out to see me try.
Okay, now I'm ready to start painting. I used interior paint that I had laying around, and I painted everything white.
Take my hand, I wish you were the one who made me whole. And I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way.
Now for the fun part, the decorating. Oh, and I also made a couple of doors for the balcony with cardboard and coffee stir sticks. Okay, now for the big reveal. I made the door with cardboard and popsicle sticks, painted it black, and here's the kitchen. I used little wood boxes from the dollar store for the upper cabinets, plus some aluminum as the backsplash, and some wood pieces for the countertop. The island was made of cardboard and styrofoam. I also paper mache'd it and covered it with craft sticks, then I stained it. I love how it turned out. I covered the back wall with wallpaper, and I also made the table and chairs with cardboard and paper mache. The chair legs are clothespins, and the table leg is a little wine glass. Actually, I think it's a liqueur glass. The chandelier is an ornament. And now to the living room. I love how the doors turned out. I also stained them with a dark stain. For the back wall, I used strips of black paper for the stripes. And that's it! The apartment is really solid. I don't think anything can break it. And it's definitely fun to play with. I hope you're following me on Instagram at Ginger's Doll World, so you can tell me what you think there. Please give this video a like, and thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.